My goodness, what just transpired? The Shiba Inu's value might take a nosedive if the breed files for yet another bankruptcy. When are we going to see any stability? Seriously? Shiba Inu prices have dropped dramatically from their peak 2 years ago. Why does this happen to Shiba Inus, and what is the root cause of their problems? Stay with us as we investigate recent events thoroughly and reveal the truth about Shiba Inu. Important notice. However, let us return to the story's prologue. Given that the inaugural crypto ETF was authorized only 30 days ago, there was a tangible sense of enthusiasm in the market. There was a lot of hype because people thought this revolutionary change would cause a spike in the Bitcoin market as a whole. Investors and fans alike couldn't wait to watch the ripple effects on their portfolios and the market as a whole. This event was very meaningful to the Shiba Inu people. Aspiring for a positive price movement across the board in the cryptocurrency market, they eagerly anticipated the possible advantages of the ETF approval. In an ordinarily unpredictable market, there was much anticipation for a positive trend that may catapult Shiba into unprecedented levels of success. For those who are unaware, approximately 67 of Shiba Inu owners are losing money on their dogs right now, but they are undeterred in anticipation of a possible bull run. Many thought that the approval of the Bitcoin ETF would signal the beginning of a new bull run in the cryptocurrency market as a whole. In spite of everyone's best intentions, sudden and shocking events rocked the cryptocurrency market and left the Shiba Inu community reeling from the unknown. Unpredictable selling pressure in the market was caused by Grayscale Bitcoin Trust's decision to sell Bitcoin worth billions of dollars. The price of Shiba Inus dropped and owners became nervous as a result of the market meltdown caused by the surge of supply. But in the past several days, we've noticed that the enormous selling pressure was diminishing, and Shiba Inus have begun to develop gradually, closing in on the elimination of a more digit from its price. The end of those trying times brought much-needed relief to the Shiba Inu community. I know it's hard to believe, but something happened in the past day that could derail all the progress we've made thus far. The storyline twist that nobody saw coming was that things will not get easier anytime soon. Keep watching as we investigate the recent developments affecting the Shiba Inu community and the future of this evolving digital asset. What then transpired? In the midst of bankruptcy, Genesis Global Trading has proposed selling assets for $1.06 billion. According to the most recent news, the price of Shiba Inus and the sentiment among their fans could take a hit as a result of this. Concerns that prices could fall much further due to such a massive sell-off have added uncertainty to an already precarious situation. It's as if the already present air of ambiguity is being further stoked. Owners of Shiba Inus are experiencing anxiety, curious about what comes next, and desperately seeking some good news to counteract the recent disappointments. Unfortunately, the news of Genesis' impending sell-off is like a bucket of cold water, dampening what appeared to be a promising turnaround as BlackRock finally outpaced market and trade volume. It ruins the prospect of future success. The fact that BlackRock is investing over $300 million per day in the cryptocurrency market gave some people hope. The time has come, though, for Genesis to sell off a huge portion of its holdings. Now we're back to the unknown. It's as if you make progress, but then you regress. A prime example of how volatile the cryptocurrency market can be is the difference between BlackRock's significant actions and Genesis's impending sell-off. And in the space of a second, the Shiba Inu community goes from feeling hopeful to worried. Shiba Inu holders are understandably anxious in light of recent developments that have sparked much excitement within the crypto world. Recent events have understandably caused the Shiba Inu community to feel frightened. Many Shiba Inu owners are naturally worried about the market and the possibility of an impending Genesis sell-off. The fact that these changes appear to have a more noticeable effect on Shiba Inu than other cryptocurrencies is very remarkable. Shiba Inu's price has responded strongly to recent news, suggesting that it is more vulnerable to market swings than other digital assets. When the project's Layer 2 scaling solution was launched 5 months ago, the Shiba Inu community had cause to celebrate. Shibarium is the standard. There was a little uptick in the price of Shiba Inus to coincide with this major milestone in the project's development. Finally, 2 months ago, the community celebrated victory by eliminating a zero from the Shiba Inu price. This move signaling development and growth. For the Shiba Inu token holders who had been seeing their holdings decrease, it was a ray of optimism. About two-thirds of investors are now losing money. This success marked a significant milestone on the road to reversing the trend and returning all investors to a profit. The Shiba Inu community's excitement and hope for the future of their cryptocurrency shone through as they ventured to dream of a better future. Undoubtedly negative developments. These sudden turns in the crypto world have placed a pall of doubt over the future of Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. With Shibarium's release and subsequent price increase, a lot of progress was accomplished. We are reminded of the market's fragility and the problems that await us by the current volatility. In these unpredictable times, it is vital for the Shiba Inu community to stay attentive, adaptive, and hopeful for better days ahead. But what does this do to the whales? Many people in the Shiba Inu community are currently wondering this. This is a crucial question to ask because whales own a lot of Shiba Inu coins. Because of their prominent role in the project, they are impacted by more than just changes in the market. Also, they have the power to sway them. Because of the enormous size of their assets, whales are especially susceptible to heavy losses during periods of uncertainty. For that reason, it is critical to comprehend their responses and keep an eye on their motions. Their moves can provide light on the market's trajectory, which average investors might use to better manage their own portfolios. Keep your seats fastened, though, because the response of the whales is about to be revealed. Trust me when I say it's absolutely astounding. Be sure to check in as we go into the realm of whale behavior and investigate the significance of this large movement of Shiba Inu tokens. Be sure you don't miss what's coming up next. In the past day, there has been an incredible amount of activity using Shiba Inu tokens, which is worth mentioning as we enter the world of whale activity. In this brief time, a staggering 1.6 trillion tokens, worth $14 million, have been moved between wallets. This huge token transaction shows how whales are very influential in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and why it's important to watch what they do when the market is volatile. Being robust and adaptive is vital as the Shiba Inu community navigates the present market conditions, which may be quite rough. Staying educated and actively monitoring market developments is one potential technique for Shiba Inu holders. In particular, big announcements from influential crypto players in whale activity. Traders can foresee possible shifts in the market and make educated judgments on their assets if they maintain vigilance and keep up with current events. When markets are unpredictable, diversification can be a smart way to lessen the impact of any one risk. Although Shiba Inu has a lot of potential, it's wise to diversify your investment so you can reduce the impact of any losses and get a feel for different parts of the cryptocurrency market. In addition, Shiba Inu owners must choose their investment objectives and risk tolerance. A long-term view and the avoidance of fear or greed-driven impulsive actions are possible when investors have clear goals and adhere to a disciplined investment plan. Furthermore, Shiba Inu owners may want to look into community-driven projects and involvement, especially in light of the possible influence of whale activity on market dynamics. Communities working together on things like ecosystem development support, transparency advocacy. By encouraging a positive attitude, we may strengthen faith in the project and make it a success in the long run. Although there are obstacles in the market right now, Shiba Inu holders can take advantage of opportunities to make money and help the project expand and stay strong. To confidently navigate the uncertainties and position oneself for success in the ever-changing crypto ecosystem, investors need to stay informed, diversify their assets,